Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to start by priming my eyes with the LA Pro Conceal. I don't know why, but I've just been loving the coverage that the concealer gives instead of an eye primer. So that is what I'm using today. I'm also going to use the Real Techniques Mini Miracle Sponge, I believe, and I'm just going to blend that all out so that we can have a clean base to start off with. I'm using my Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 Reloaded palette, and can we just talk about what happened to my palette? I'm going to start off with this white shade, which is like a bone shade, just to go all over the lid. And then I'm using this fluffy brush, and I think it's from UBU Cosmetics. I bought it in a 3-pack. And then I'm going to move on to this peach shade, and this is going to be my transition shade above the brow bone, and then slowly coming down onto the eye socket bone thing, you know, whatever. Oh, that brush is from Essence Cosmetics, by the way. And then I'm just going to use some tape to create the sharp line. Someone asked me how to get that sharp wing. You can just use tape if you want. And then I'm just going to go back in with that transition shade, and I'm going to blend this out into oblivion. Using this burnt orange shade, I'm going to drag this down below our transition and then slowly mix it into the transition, if that makes sense. And I'm going to use this red berry shade to darken out the outer corners. I'm just placing this in the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to use this brush just to deepen it up a bit, because I felt like the blending brush wasn't giving off as much color. So yes. Oh, and that brush is from Urban Studio. You can buy it in a 3-pack as well. From Discount, by the way. Using this pink shimmer shade, I'm just going to pack this all over the lid. Obviously not onto the dark shade, but and then I'm going back in with transition so that everything is nicely blended out. I wanted my outer V to be a bit darker, so I'm going to darken this up with brown, and that's from the Switch Beauty palette, the Slaves for Days palette, and I'm just going to lightly go in and darken out the outer V of the eye. I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Brilliance primer and pack this all over the lid, and this dries so quickly, so please be careful with this, because yeah, it dries very quickly. And I'm going to use the pink glitter, which is in the shade Rose, I believe, and I'm just going to place that glitter all over the lid. You might want to use do your winged liner before this, because I did struggle a bit to apply my winged liner. But it's no biggie. It's not that difficult to work with. To prime my lashes, I'm going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Mascara. And I love this mascara because I feel like it gives off a natural effect. So I would definitely use this mascara on its own, by the way. Before I go in with my falsies, which is the Premium 10 Lashes from Eyelash Boutique. And these lashes are very dramatic. Very dramatic. Just lining my lower lash line with some mascara again. So, yes. And then I'm going to use this angled brush just to go in with the dark red shade and the brown shade and run it along the lower lash line. Whew, that was a mouthful, eh? Using the Essence Keep It Perfect Fixing Spray, I'm just going to spray my face so that this will act as my moisturizer. And I'm going to use the LA Pro Prep Smoothing Face Primer. I really like to work this into my skin so that I can blur all my pores, especially if you want like full coverage, clean, seamless look. I'm going to use the LA Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation. I am looking into getting the matte one because I feel like the matte one will work better with my oily skin, I mean. And can I just say, the coverage of this foundation is literally so bomb. I wish LA would sponsor me because wow. using a fresh beauty blender, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this into the skin to give us a seamless finish. I'm really pressing the foundation into the skin so it looks like our own skin. Oh, sips Coke quickly. And then I'm going to use the the Switch Beauty Holy Grail Flash Case to contour my face. I totally forgot to conceal at this point, and that's only like afterwards when I realized my bunny is so cute, eh? Oh. So I'm just going to conceal with the Elegol Pro Conceal in the shade Natural. And I actually liked like how this came out, even though I didn't conceal initially. So yes. And I'm going to use a contour brush to really just get my contour looking snatched, you know. And then I'm just going to continue to blend into the skin. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Using the Essence Matte Compact Powder, I'm just going to bake our concealer so that it doesn't crease on us during the day, because we don't want that. And I use this to clean my contour as well, so that we can get a really clean looking contour. I'm going to use the Catrice Sun Glow Bronzer to just bronze up the skin. And I really like the finish of this. This bronzer is really grown on me. And I'm going to dust off all that bake when we are done. This is the Beauty Treats LA Heart Love Blush Palette. And I'm just going to use this pink shade to blush up my cheeks. And I really like how natural this was, even though it's such a bright pink shade. And I'm going to use the beauty blender just to press it into the skin so it looks even more natural and seamless. Using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Luster Lights palette, this is the warm palette. I'm going to go in with these two shades, and I'm really just going to highlight the high points of my face as well as my Cupid's bow and above the brow. Guys, peep this glow. Peep this glow. I'm going to use a brush to get a more intense highlight. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. And I'm going to finish off with the Essence Keep It Perfect Fixing Spray to set our face for the rest of the day. And for lips, I'm going to use the Body Shop Matte Lip Liquid. That is it from me, guys. I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. I love you. Please be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.